This is the standard operating procedure for masking. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. To protect areas adjacent to the repair from refinish coatings and overspray, proper masking is an important step. The first step to masking is cleaning the area. Always clean with the method recommended by the paint manufacturer. Use a combination of masking paper, plastic, and tape to protect any area where you don't want refinish material. If necessary, use fine line tape in areas where the contour makes it difficult to apply wider tape. Outline the refinish area with Norton Paint Check white poly-coated masking paper. This helps when trying to achieve a good color match, as colored masking paper may impact the appearance during refinishing operations. After outlining the repair area with 1.5-inch masking tape, cover the rest of the vehicle with Norton Blue sheeting. Cover the wheels with Norton Blue Wrap protective plastic wheel maskers. Cut out the area to be sprayed and attach the sheeting along the cut edge to the tape outline using 3/4-inch or 1.5-inch masking tape. With all of the masking applied, double-check to ensure that there are no exposed areas that shouldn't be refinished. Following refinishing, remove the masking tape at a 90-degree angle in preparation for final assembly.